Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let me tap on it. And here let's scroll down to the very bottom to find General Management. Now let's tap on the language, and here let's tap on a language again. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically, all you have to do is to scroll down and find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. Let me tap here. As you can see, right now we are in the section of where we've got the languages suggested by the Samsung. So if you cannot find your language, no worries, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on all languages. So and this list will be much bigger, and for sure you will find the language finally. So if you've got the language, just tap on it. Sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to set, and your device will ask you if you want to change the language. So, of course, you can keep current, however, it does not make any sense. And you can simply set it as default, so set new one. As you can see, in my case, Turkish language immediately appears at the top, and after a second or 2 seconds your device will simply change the language. So from now on everything will be displayed in the chosen language. Which is more, if you've got like 2 or 3 different languages added to this list, then you do not have to enter this add language section. You can simply reorder them to change the language, because the language which is at the top is always applied language. So let me change it. Let me show you how to do it. Just tap on the English and it's probably change button, so just tap on it, and as you can see, again we've got English. If you want to remove the languages from this list, just tap on edit in the right upper corner, mark it, and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.